Hey guys, what's coming up is the detail of proof of funds required for Express Entry Program of Canada. What, how, and when is it required with all the rules and few tips as well. All of this coming up. Hello friends, this is Shitanshu. Welcome to my channel Dream Abroad. If you want to immigrate to Australia or Canada without paying hefty fee to the consultants, I've got tons of videos coming soon for you. Please subscribe. Okay, now let's first discuss what is proof of funds and why is it required. When you are in a different part of the world, you must show that you have enough money to settle in Canada to meet the minimum requirements of Express Entry Program. You must be able to use this money to pay the costs of living for your family in Canada. So, mind it, you don't have to spend this money in the process, but should have it as a savings. So, the second question which you may ask is how much money is required. This is the screenshot from the official website of Government of Canada. Now, if you are from India, the conversion rate as of 16th May 2018 is 52.8 Indian rupees for 1 Canadian dollar. According to which, if you are a single applicant, you would need approximately 12,500 Canadian dollars, which equals approximately 6,59,000 Indian rupees. If you're a family of two, it would be 15,500 Canadian dollars approximately, which equals 8,20,000 rupees. Similarly, this much amount for a family of three, for a family of four, and so on. Now let us see what is accepted as a proof of fund and what is not accepted. Assets or funds that are not readily available are not accepted, and those are readily available are accepted. So property, jewelry, and vehicle evaluation, even if it is worth crores, are not accepted. Cryptocurrencies, being highly volatile, are also not accepted. PPF cannot be accessed readily, so even not this. And money in the account of family or friends is also not accepted, even if you have a joint account with them. However, if your spouse is coming with you, then you can count money together you have in your joint account. Now let's see what is accepted as proof of fund. Bank balance in saving or current account, FDs, RDs, EPF, mutual fund and stock investment as well, but they should be liquidated before submission, because you must have definitely heard that mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Please read the offer document carefully before investing, isn't it? However, at the time of landing in Canada, you can show stock investment as a proof of fund. Okay, now there are a few rules as well. You cannot borrow this money from another person. If your spouse is coming with you, you can count money you have together in a joint account. You may be able to count money in an account under their name only, but you must prove that you have access to that money. Funds must be available both when you apply and when they issue you a permanent resident visa. At the time of landing, you must prove to an immigration officer that you can legally access them to settle when you arrive. Proof of funds is not required for Canadian Experience Class. Documents required. Documents or receipts of FD, RD, PF, mutual fund, liquidation, etc. are required. 6-month bank statement. However, this is not mandatory, but it is good to provide it. Now this is the most important one. For proof, you must get official letters from any banks where you hold the account. These letters must be printed on the financial institution's letterhead, that is your bank, include their contact information like address, telephone number, and email address, your name. It must list outstanding debts such as credit card debts and loans, and include for each current bank and investment account numbers, the date each account was opened, the current balance of each account, and the average balance for past 6 months. Okay, so time for a few tips. It is better to have 400 to 500 Canadian dollars, which is approximately 20,000 to 25,000 Indian rupees, extra as savings to accommodate any currency exchange fluctuations. It's also better to arrange money 6 months before visa submission. After visa submission, try that your account balance doesn't go down below what has been shown in the bank letter. 6 months bank statement is not mandatory but advisable to gain the confidence of investigation officer. Alright, so this was already a lot of information about proof of funds. If you don't personally have the necessary money, but you still want to apply the PR, in the next video I will tell you 2 workarounds for this. Also, if you want to know the format of bank letter, in the next video I will tell you a recommended format for that as well. I will be uploading this video in the next couple of days and will update the description box of this video with the link to the new video. Stay tuned. I hope the information provided in this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I would also love to hear the feedback from you. Please like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you.